Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will start model number 1, website strategy for earnings that works. In this model have 5 lecture. First lecture is ready website for Black Hat method, powerful strategy. Today we will cover this lecture. So let's start. How you can know your website is ready or not ready for Black Hat work? This is website called flickover.com. Flickover. Here you can buy the group tools in cheap rate. You can check here, many tools are available in very cheap rate. So I have buy this Ahrefs tool from this site in 600 Indian rupees per month. So $10 per month. This is the access. Now I want to show you how you can know your website is ready or not ready for Google AdSense Black Hat technique. So now we open the google.com and type any keyword. For example, I have typed make money online. I have typed this keyword. Now you can notice here which website are ranking. This is the first website, Economic Time, and this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These 10 websites are rank on this keyword. So what we need now, we will check this website. For example, online income. I will check this website in Ahrefs. Ahrefs will be show this website how many keywords are ranked on Google AdSense. Google first page blog. I will copy the domain and I go to Ahrefs and paste here search data. Now Ahrefs show me how many articles and keywords are ranked from this website on first page. I will show you what is the benefit. This is the organic keywords. Here you can check 2.5k, 2500 keyword are organic keyword are ranked from this website. Now we need to check organic keywords and we check which keywords are ranked on first page. Here you can check online jobs without investment. This keyword from this website position 7. That means this keyword are ranked on 7 position. Here you can check this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number rank from this website, this keyword. So this website can work on Black Hat because many keywords are ranked on Google from this website. This is the ready website for Black Hat method. You can check online jobs in India. This keyword rank position on 7. You can check now 7. And earn money online without investment for student. This keyword are rank on 5 to 1. 1 to 5 means that this keyword are movement. 1 to 5 first page 5 number are rank this website on this keyword. So this is our first step. You need to create a website on any single keyword and you need to rank any one keyword. You can work on Black Hat. Single keyword you can start work on Black Hat. First you need to rank any keyword. Not important. You can you need to write articles on make money or other things. You can check which keyword are low competition, and you can start work on it. And I need only your website. We need watch here first page. If your website are ranking on first page, then you can send traffic on this keyword. For example, I write here make money online, and suppose this is your website. This is your website on second position. Now what's our next strategy? We need to this keyword target and send traffic on this keyword, and tell him our website name is this one, and you need to search this keyword and go to Google, and first page you will be find our website name is this one, and now you need to enter our website from search engine. This is the first step. So that's called ready website for black hat technique. You need to rank any keyword on Google's first page. If your website are rank on Google, any article rank on Google, you can send traffic on it. Now you think how we can rank on first page. We don't know SEO. This is a simple method I will show you. You go to Google Trends. Now here I open Google Trend, and I will show you what are trending on now in this time, which articles, which keywords are ranked on this time. So you can cover these keywords on your article. For example, recently trending is Alexandra Grant 2000 searches, 200k searches of this keyword. So let's click on it, and you can check these articles are ranked on Google. Almost complete traffic coming from Google on this keyword. This is the keyword election 2019 Miami Jet, and these three articles are ranked on this keyword. So if your website is not ranked on Google, then you can write article on trending topic. You can write articles on trending topics. If you write article on this keyword, then your article may be ranked on Google. This article published before 12 hours, and searches you can check 100k searches of this keyword, and many articles are ranked on this keyword. So you can write content on trending topic. Any keyword you can target, and you need to write article. If you don't know how to write article, then I will suggest you simple way to write article on any keyword. For example, I have opened this article. Shijian election day. This is the main keyword. Now it's going on trend, and we need to copy of this title, and I will show you how you can find ready-made content. Go to YouTube, and search this keyword here. Search on blog, and you need to find some short clip or short news. Go to filter and click on today. We need latest content. So for example, this is the CNN content. We don't need CNN content. We need local, any video you can get local. For example, this video you get. Now you need this video convert to text. This video you need to convert to speech to text. After that content text you can post on your website. This is the unique article. Your article will be rank on Google. So this is the first step. You need to create your website ready on Google, ready for black hat technique. So when your website is ready, you need to rank some keyword. Any keyword you can rank. You can rank trending topic keyword. You can rank any other topic keyword. You need to get position from 1 to 10 on Google. Any keyword you need to rank. First, this is the first step. Once your any keyword are rank on Google, after that you can use my black hat technique to send traffic on that keyword. The traffic will be go to your website from search engine. After that traffic are browse your content, read your content, and after that they click on your ads and you will earn on Google AdSense. This is my first step. So next we will cover second lecture.